Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 4:20 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesday, September 27, 2021. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Subscribe and bell if you want to be notified of these videos. Click the thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about Nucypher. Major price action to come. Right now, not to come because we're kind of in a sideways chop. Talk about that in a second. Twitter.com, link below for intraday updates. Let's move forward into the markets. Nucypher US dollar, we're at 26.53, down 1.1 penny. I mean, couldn't get more boring than this. I get it. Things will start picking up, but sometimes things go through a boring spell, and that's exactly the situation we're going to be in for at least the near term. And the near term, I mean about a week and a half. So we have to continue to monitor. I will continue to tell you guys where we're at and gals. But the main thing is that, just so you know, by the way, I will be putting out a new video next week called Imminent Breakouts so that you can see other ideas that might not be, the situations that we're looking at today, which are kind of sideways right now. We're kind of in a holding pattern. There are other ideas, other asset classes, such as stocks and other cryptos that may be on the verge of a breakout. I will be actually plucking those out where I see them, and then we will be talking about them. They'll be on the verge of breakout, so that's why I'm titling it Imminent Breakouts. Could break up, could break down though, but something more interesting to follow. In the meantime, we're sideways chop here, 26.53. Decent support here at 25 and change. Don't expect us going below 25 and change this week, but we're going to keep our eye on this. Nucypher, Bitcoin, just looking a little weak today, but we're still over that 603 level of support on Nucypher Bitcoin, which is good. Bitcoin US dollar certainly did exactly what we expected it to do, which is what's making these videos a little more boring than usual. So we hit the resistance line, which is this gray short-term resistance line, only about 10 days in the making. We're starting the trek back down. I expect a breakout sometime soon. At least the march back up in a positive direction sometime probably between October 2nd and October 4th. I think that's what we're going to start catching a real bid on Bitcoin, but we'll keep our eye on that as well. Bitcoin dominance, I just recently drew another channel. We're starting to come up this thing now. So this nice resistance line here, we are sideways to up, and I think that this kind of is indicative, given the fact that we are looking at this like a fear index. I believe that we could see some subtle downside action with Bitcoin. And by subtle, I mean, we're looking at a floor of Bitcoin around 40,000 and change. Worst case scenario, 40,400. So again, it's not that far off. It's 5% down from where we are, maybe a little more, maybe 6%, 7%. But, overall, I think Nucypher US dollar, sideways from here on in, unless otherwise notified either through Twitter or on this video. Have a good day, everyone.